Hello, how are you?
Good, how are you?
Good. We've been working really hard to get to this day here at Embedded World.
That's right. Pretty excited to be here today.
Yes. So we're going to talk about a few advancements that we're announcing at Embedded World today for Qualcomm. And maybe first of all, we should introduce ourselves. Maybe share with everyone who you are.
Absolutely. Shammi Khattar, IoT product management. I'm responsible for the chipset hardware and software for the BU.
Awesome. I'm Carmen True, and I'm Vice President of Marketing. This is the RB3 Gen 2 development kit, and with vision. I love the color. Why don't you tell me a little bit about this name and what it means and what's so special about this?
Sure. So once again, thanks for having me. RB3 Gen 2, it's the second generation of our robotics family RB3 product. It's essentially a reference board, it's a development kit, it's a platform, it's a combination of hardware, software, documentation, tools, as well as services that go and build this specific platform. The underlying SoC is the QCS6490, and if you were to compare it with the previous generation, it has 10 times more AI, 4 times more connectivity bandwidth, lots of more interfaces, more memory, a whole lot of things that the developers would love.
What types of applications can we use this for?
Well, any kind of IoT applications. You can think of edge AI boxes, drones, robotics, handhelds, connected cameras. It's endless, but the good part about the kit is it provides you enough interfaces. And for developers, if there are multiple PCIs, multiple USBs.
Yes.
And this kit, the way the blue bracket is actually a bracket that holds the 2 camera sensors. The kit is available in 2 forms, a core kit as well as this vision kit. So many options available for developers to play around with it and build the application that they love.
The announcement that we have featured Qualcomm Linux. So what documents, SDKs, and tools are available for our customers and our developers?
Great question. Qualcomm Linux by itself, it's a comprehensive suite of tools, the software that goes along with it. So, we have made a concerted effort so that our software is upstream aligned. It's more standardized. It just helps the developers get a consistent set of interfaces that they could build upon when they go from product to product. So we want to make sure that we offer the right set of APIs. Same thing with documentation. It's a lot more open right now for folks to not even log in to Qualcomm.com and get access to the documentation. Same thing with tools.
What are you most excited about with this platforms? And do you have any tips for anyone who's looking to build on it?
Besides the platform that I just explained, there are other things like integration with AI Hub, integration with foundries. So if you don't know about AI Hub, a few weeks ago at NWC, we announced the availability of pre-trained models on aihub.qualcomm.com. So all those models are actually available for this particular platform as of today. So I'm really excited for the developers to try those out and run all kind of AI immersive use cases and build the applications around there.
Just to close this out, how would people find out more about Qualcomm Developer Network that we have?
Well, Qualcomm.com. The website is up as of this morning. Even though we are in beta preview mode right now, in the next upcoming months, it's going to open up to a whole lot of developer community. I encourage all our partners, customers, developers to go try out the product. You can build great immersive applications out of the software.
So you can find all the information about this product, and we're really launching more developer experiences and new things coming over the next 6 to 9 months. So we're super excited about it.